So let's talk about the red aura. What does this mean? First of all, only 20% of the population has a red aura, and this means that you were born to be what is known as a fighter. Now, don't let this word scare you off or, back away if it doesn't resonate, because this is such an important role in our world. The fighters are the first to notice things that are wrong and speak up. They sound the alarm and they advocate for changes. So if this is you, just remember that your speaking up can do so much good in this world. But after you bring attention to issues, you're going to want to collaborate with others to really drive the change that you envision. But it's your passion for correcting wrongs that will actually drive the change, because people can sense your passion and they will be moved by it. So if you're working with a natural fighter tendency, you want to embrace and leverage your passion for fixing what is unjust or broken. And always speak up. Remember that after you alert others, you'll need to work through diplomacy in order to elicit the lasting changes that you care about. But always speak up. We need you. Thanks for tuning in today, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can stay in the loop on new trainings as they come out. And let us know in comments if you're a red, a yellow, or a blue.